Hi guys, Linnea here with my 6 eyes on. I just wanted to talk a little bit about enchanting items that are not necessarily magic. So I'm going to move my camera down and show you a few things and talk to you about how you can enchant them to work better for you and give you extra things that they're not necessarily meant for. So let's move the camera down. So as far as a brush goes, or a comb, a brush can be used to enchant you. You can enchant a brush to give you longer hair. Maybe you want your hair to grow longer, and maybe you want it to be thicker. So you enchant your brush to give you longer hair and to make it thicker, so that each time you brush your hair, you get growth and you get thickness, and you just enchant it like you would enchant anything. So that's a brush. I enchant my comb to work on my wig, to make it more beautiful, to make it longer, silkier, to make it come out better, to make it less frizzy. So you can enchant a comb. Just about anything you can think of, you can enchant to do something for you. This is hand sanitizer. I enchant my hand sanitizer to not only do what it does, but to give me younger looking hands, to take away my age spots, to give me hands that enchant better, to give me hands that work better, to take away my arthritis pain. You can do just about anything on anything. So that's what I enchant my hand sanitizer for. This is my eyeglass cleaner, and I enchant it to give me better vision, to make me see things that I wouldn't necessarily normally see magically, to help me have better insight, and to give me a better view of things, a different view of things. So that's my eyeglass cleaner. My water. I enchant my water to give me love and happiness, to give me a better hydration than it normally would, to hydrate me in a way that fills my body with health and goodness other than just water would give me, to give me healing and so forth. So that's my water. Oops. This is my Hecate pen that I use on my candle, and I enchant it to give me a bond with Hecate, to give me a stronger bond with her and a stronger communication with her, and so on and so forth. So that's my Hecate pen. And this is my bottle of lotion. I enchant my lotion to give me a better view to other people. So I enchant it to be a glamour spell, basically. So I just wanted to point out that you can enchant just about anything to do just about anything. You can enchant a lipstick to give you fuller looking lips. You can enchant a wedding ring to give you a stronger marriage. You can enchant anything. Anything at all can be enchanted. So I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about that. My camera doesn't want to stay up now. There we go. So I just wanted to talk to you about enchanting items that don't necessarily have anything to do with magic, and point out that you can enchant anything for anything. Your pen to write more meaningful words, your glasses to help you see things that you wouldn't normally see. Anything can be enchanted, folks. Anything at all can be enchanted. If you need to know what could be enchanted, you have some questions about how to enchant things, put it in the comments. I'd be happy to help you. figure out how you can enchant objects that you couldn't think of how to enchant. I'd be very willing to help you. So if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section, and have yourselves a great day. Please remember, you're all divine and sacred beings of light and love, and I love each and every one of you, and I hope to see you again soon. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button for me, and have yourselves a great day.